Hello and welcome to another walk around video. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in silver sky. Under the hood you'll find yourself a 5.7 liter V8 riding on top of 20-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, roof rails and crossbars, running boards, and that power liftgate. Now why don't we hop inside and see what else the Sequoia has to offer. Helping us inside, we got our key fob right here that features our lock and unlock button, as well as our panic button and our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a sec. That's the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom, you do have some storage, as well as 2 cup holders, your power windows and locks, and your seating presets. To the right of the door, you do have your power mirrors and all the lighting options. Light gray leather, as well as your power adjusters. Now let's hop inside. We are going to start the vehicle up. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, you have this cluster. This will help you navigate through your entertainment display right over here. You do also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, you have this cluster which will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up there. And the Sequoia does only have 1,541 kilometers on it, which means there's a lot of life for you left. Lastly, right below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense options, as well as your cruise control right behind the wheel. Let's move on to the entertainment display. Right now we're on audio. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as your USB and auxiliary. This vehicle does come equipped with Sirius XM satellite radio and Bluetooth audio. There's that backup camera, gives you those nice guidelines. Moving just below that, you do have your dual zone climate control settings. You can adjust that, and your passenger can adjust that. To the left of that, you do have your different drivetrain options. Here we got heated and cooled driver and passenger seats, as well as a USB and auxiliary port. Below that, you have some nice little storage and 2 12-volt outlets. Here you got 3 cup holders and this huge center console. There's plenty of space in here, and you got this little shelf up top. And lastly, we're going to take a look at the glove box. Nice and simple. You got a nice little shelf up there as well. Perhaps you can fit some cables, wallet. And close that up. Before we take a look at cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back. In the door, you do have some storage, as well as 2 cup holders. All-weather mats equipped here as well. The rear passengers do have their own climate control settings, as well as their own heated seats. 2 cup holders, and right in the center, they have their own little center console. More light gray leather seating. And these seats do fold down. You just pull that lever up, and they'll slide forward, and then you will be able to access the 3rd row seating. Just a couple things to show you before we open the cargo. On top, we do have those roof rails, as well as those crossbars, a shark fin antenna, and there's that backup camera that we mentioned earlier. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this power liftgate button on your key fob, and that'll open up on its own. Already you can see there's a lot of storage space. We have the 3rd row seating that are just folded down right now, and they do have their own little storage compartments, as well as 2 cup holders on both sides. You do have this still convenient button that you just hold, and the seats will come right up on their own. Like so. And lastly, right underneath here, you just push this. You do have some extra storage space underneath here. So to close up, all you got to do is hold this button right here. You'll hear that beeping, and that liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at a 2019 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated and cooled seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, your different drive mode options, and that backup camera. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.